Hello guys, my name is Gauri Bandre. I am an intern at LEXIS and Company, and my topic for today's discussion is consumer rights and responsibilities. So in today's discussion, we'll see what are the rights of the consumers and responsibilities that one should be aware of while buying any product. To begin with, my first right is right to choose. Means a consumer has a right to choose whatever and from wherever they want. They have access to variety of goods and services at competitive price. So in today's world of global competitive market, we have ample amount of options with ample amount of price range varying from that of 100 to 1000 of the same product. So there is no monopoly of a particular seller. You can buy from wherever you want, whatever you want. You have access to everything and anything. Second is right to be informed. Now, this right says that a consumer has a right to be informed about the quality, about the quantity, about the potency, purity, standard, and price of the goods. So, if you are visiting any store and if you want to know about the product which you want to buy or the services related to it, then you have every right to know. You should insist the seller, in fact, to tell you as much as possible about the product you are buying and services related to it. This will help you to prevent any trade malpractice which is happening around. It is right to safety. That is right to be protected against the marketing of goods and services that are hazardous to life and property. So anything which is unsafe, you have right to be protected against it. For this, you have products that are marked with ISI and AG mark. These products go through several quality checks and which are hence proved to be very good for a consumer. So you should try to buy as much as these products over the others. Fourth is right to be heard. So every consumer has a right to form a non-political and non-commercial organization. It will help you in representing your rights and your grievances at large. Fifth is right to consumers education. So every consumer should know what they are buying, how they are buying, and if they are buying that product, then is it good or not. For this, education is really important. You should be aware about your rights, about if your right has been violated or you have been a victim of a fraud or cheating, then where you need to go, how you need to address, how you need to file a complaint, etc. For this, consumer education plays a really important role. Sixth comes right to seek redressal. So what if in case you have followed everything that you need to as a normal consumer, even after that you become a victim to a cheating or a fraud or a bad service? So in this case, you can file a complaint on either consumer court or any organization which will help you to address this issue and to represent your grievances. Every consumer has right to redressal. If you face any issue related to your service, then you definitely have a right to seek redressal, to seek compensation, etc. Next is consumer responsibilities. So first and foremost is ask yourself, have you ever been a victim of such fraud? Ask yourself, after being a victim, have you addressed this issue on the respective forum? Ask yourself if after addressing the issue to the particular forum, have you received the provided compensation? It is really important, guys, to address your issue. Even if it's a very small issue, there might be a very large issue running behind it. So if you face any problem, do make sure that you file a complaint on the consumer rights forum. Second is be critically aware. Be critically aware of what you're buying, from where you're buying, about the quality, about the quantity of the product. Third is be involved. Be involved of what you're buying. Don't be blindsided to the seller. Don't give a blind eye if he is trying to sell you something which you don't want to buy. Okay? Be involved. Be involved of what he is buying. If he is buying that product, then is that product real or fake, etc. This practice sustainable consumption. So everybody should practice sustainable consumption. Don't overbuy anything which you don't need. Make sure that whatever you're trying to buy is sustainable for you at a longer duration. Know about the product services, about the guarantee and warranty which comes along with the product that you're buying. Last but not least, be responsible towards the environment. Try and buy as much as eco-friendly products as you can. Make sure that whatever you're buying is sustainable for you till a longer duration, and if it is sustainable to the environment, make sure to buy local products. Make sure that you use to the fullest whatever you're trying to buy. So these were a few of the responsibilities and rights that one should be aware of. If you like this video, do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.